The planet which is very close to the Sun and one of the hottest planets in our solar system. This planet orbits the Sun faster than the rest of the planets. Welcome to my channel, let's get to the point. Today, we will be talking about the planet which is the first planet in our solar system, close to the Sun, the Mercury planet. This planet was named after the Roman god of messenger. The Mercury is about 46.099 kilometers away from the Sun. As the planet is so close to the Sun, the temperature in the portion facing the Sun can reach up to 450 degrees Celsius and the opposite portion will be minus 170 degrees Celsius. The core of the Mercury is made up of iron, because of which the planet has a metallic substance than a stone or rock substance. Since the planet is more of a metallic planet, it lacks the internal heat of the planet. As a result of this, Mercury is shrinking in size since its formation, as it cools down due to lack of internal heat within. The planet Mercury orbits the Sun at the speed of 180,000 km per hour, making it the fastest planet on the solar system. You can expect the speed when I tell you that 1 year in Mercury is 88 days in Earth. The planet orbits the Sun not in a circular motion but in an oval shape, and when it is nearest to the Sun, which is approximately 47 million kilometers from the eyes of the Mercury, the Sun will appear more than 3 times bigger than what it appears on Earth. Talking about the Mercury's atmosphere, the exosphere of the Mercury contains 42% oxygen, 29% sodium, 22% hydrogen, 6% helium, 0.5% potassium, and also some traces of water, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. Unlike the atmosphere in Earth, which has so many layers, the Mercury has one exosphere, which is very thin. In this picture, you can clearly see the exosphere of Mercury when the solar wind hits the exosphere and rips off certain atoms of it. Mercury is also the smallest planet in our solar system. If we compare Mercury with the dwarf planet Pluto, you can see there is not much difference in their size. The Mercury's layer include core, mantle and crust, in which the core is made up of iron which consumes 85% of its radius. Like I said earlier, the planet is a metallic planet because of which it has shrinked up to 7 kilometers within. With that, let's talk about the exploration of the planet. The Mercury was visited by two of NASA's spacecraft, Mariner 10 in 1974 and the Messenger in 2011. The Messenger had a backronym called Mercury Surface Space Environment Geochemistry and Ranging. Mariner 10 was the first spacecraft to visit the Mercury. Its primary goal was to study the atmosphere, surface, and physical characteristics of Mercury. After collecting 4,165 pictures of Venus and with the help of Venusian gravity, the spacecraft reached Mercury on 16th of March 1974. The first impression of the planet was surface similar to our moon, having ridges, crates, and chaotic terrain. The spacecraft detected very weak magnetic field of Mercury. Mariner 10 discovered the daytime and nighttime temperature, its magnetic field, its atmosphere, and in total captured 2700 photographs of Mercury, which included half of the planet's surface. The next mission to Mercury was launched on August 3, 2004 by NASA, which was called the Messenger mission. The Messenger spacecraft objective was to determine Mercury's surface composition, its geological history, its internal magnetic fields, and its polar deposit, which was water and ice. The spacecraft reached Mercury after 7 years of its launch on 2011. The spacecraft in total had taken 2 lakh images of the Mercury. One of the best images taken by the Messenger was its mosaic of our solar system, obtained on February 18, 2011, which shows all the solar system's planets except for Uranus and Neptune. The Messenger mission was extended 2 times before it crashed on the surface of Mercury. The first extension was announced by NASA for 1 more year to monitor the solar system. The extension was from March 18, 2012 to March 17, 2013. It was on this first extension the probe collected evidence of water, ice at Mercury's pole, on which the sunlight was unreachable. The second extension was announced to March 2015. In its second extension, Messenger photographed two comets named Comet 2P Yuke and Comet C 2012 S1 or Comet Ison.
Here are some images taken by Mariner 10 of Mercury.
Before the Messenger spacecraft crashed on the surface of Mercury, it was able to capture and send last 5 photographs of the planet. Here are those 5 photographs. All photos were taken around 40 kilometers altitude above the surface, hours after the spacecraft crashed on the surface, forming a new crater on Mercury. Till now, the last spacecraft to visit Mercury was the Messenger. The ongoing mission for Mercury is ESA and JAXA's joint mission called Baby Colombo, which was launched on 20th October 2018 and planning to reach Mercury on 2025. That's all for today. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and like. Till then, thank you very much for watching.